or 2 syllables. Knowledge, 2 syllables. How is it possible? I am Ella, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you what the syllables mean. Let's get started. In this video, I told you about the vowel sounds and their sounds and pronunciations. Today, I want to tell you about the syllables. Cat, pet, dot. How many vowel sounds can you hear? 1. So all these words are 1 syllable. Now let's look at this word. Bracelet, bracelet. You can see 3 vowel letters, but how many vowel sounds you can hear? Bracelet, bracelet. 2. A and E. 2. So this word is 2 syllables. Next one. Equal, equal. How many vowel sounds you can hear? You can see 3 vowel letters. But how about sounds? Equal. 2. E and W. So this word is 2 syllables. There is another way to realize a word syllables, the number of a word syllables. It's easy. Just put your hand under your chin. The number of times your chin touch your hands, that word has syllables. Let's practice it. Amazement. 3 times. My chin 3 times touches my hand. So this word has 3 syllables. Now this is your turn. Write into the chat box how many syllables is this word. Freedom. See you later.